Hello, are you able to hear me? Hello. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yeah,
Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday's class, can you explain the yesterday's class? Anyone? Hello, what are the basic instruction type? Can anybody can explain? Prithvi Sagar. Can anybody can explain basic instruction type? Hello, are you able to hear me? Yes or no?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Nobody is answering.
Your
Yes,
voice
ma'am. We
is
can
not
hear you.
audible, ma'am.
No? No? Are you? Hello, are you able to listen? Hello?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Can anybody can explain basic instruction type? Fast, I will start the next concept and straight line sequencing. Both the things you have to explain because these two are very, very, very important. These two are very, very, very important. Okay. Can anybody can explain that? Gaurav Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain ma? Basic instructions type. Hello. Gaurav Sharma.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you explain? Can anybody explain? Otherwise, volunteers. Anybody wanted to tell? Abhishek. Gaurav Sharma, I told you to explain. You have to read the daily portions, otherwise very difficult. Can you explain, Gaurav Sharma? Bhavana. Bhavana. What if nobody is answering? Are you able to listen or not? Hello, are you able to listen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Please answer, ma. Janani, you tell me, ma. Janani? Janani, can you tell? Please, answer my question, please. Don't waste your time and my time. Anybody who interested, I explained no basic instruction type, three address type instruction, two address type instruction, one address, zero address. Tell me one example with example. That's all.
Three address
Do it.
instruction, ma'am.
Who is telling?
Ma'am, Tanya.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, three address instruction. First add A, comma B, comma C.
What is the
The
syntax of that? Three address means what?
opcode source 1, source 2, and destination.
No. Opcode source one. Come tell me.
Example is add A, comma B, comma C. The contents of memory locations A and B will be added, and the result of the will be stored in the memory location C.
Very good. Then two address.
Two address syntax is opcode source and destination. Add A, comma B. First it will add A, comma B. Then move
No, you
B,
cannot do
comma
it
C.
directly. If you want to do A, comma B, comma C, what we should do here? If you want to add A, comma B, comma C, move B to
Move
C
B,
here.
comma C. Yeah. Move the contents of memory location B to C. And then add the contents of memory location A and C.
Very good. Very good. Good. Then one
And
address.
then, yes, ma'am. Then one address is just opcode source and destination. That is load A, add B, and then store C. So the
with which
contents
one will load A means what it will do?
the contents of memory location A is transferred into accumulator. And then the contents of memory location B and the contents of accumulator is added. And then the sum is placed back is stored into accumulator.
Very good. Okay.
And then the contents of accumulator is transferred into memory location C.
No, very good, ma. Very good. Nice. Zero address.
Zero address, you just told remember that push thing, no, ma'am?
Okay. Then instruction execution and straight line sequencing. Tell me.
Ma'am, first the execution begins at address I, where the contents of memory location A is
No,
moved to
anybody
R0.
other than her, Tanya, other than that. Very good, ma. Good. Jayant, Janani. Can you tell Janani? Yesterday's portion. See, why I am revising? No, only if you go through in proper sequence, this subject you will understand. Simply, I can keep on taking the class. That is no use at all. Okay. Only if you go through the previous portion at least for 10 minutes. Please. Answer ma Janani. Janani. If you are not reading the daily lessons, don't come to my class. Don't come for online class. If you are not really, I'm telling. If you are not go through the daily portions, don't come to my class. You have to go through my daily portions. I will ask daily questions. I will ask what to do because that is like that. See, I will be lenient in the lenient way. I will tell the same way. I will strict also. When you have to study, you have to study. Your parents are taking so much effort to join, make you join here. You have to put some effort of that. So whatever we are teaching, go through for 10 minutes. You can't go do that. That too, you are in house. You have so much time. No traveling time. Nothing. You are saving so much time. In the 10 minutes you spend for CO. Instruction execution. Who is telling other than Tanya? Who is telling? Voluntarily you come, otherwise I'll tell the name. That name as Janani, you tell ma. Janani, at least tell yes or no. Janani. Janani. Hello. Janani. Who is telling? Sir. Sir. Janani, can you tell? Bhavana. See, at least open the mouth, present, ma'am. I'll tell, ma'am. I cannot tell, ma'am. Like that, you tell, no? I'm shouting like this in anything here. Who is telling? Hello. Rohan Philip. Abhishek. What yesterday's class I told you to take this one. What will happen yesterday's class? You didn't come, Janani? Nimbidra Shrestha. Nimbidra Shrestha.
My first class.
Huh?
Ma'am, this is my first class.
Okay. Then, okay. Nobody is ready to answer my question. What to do? Your class is like that. If you are not revising the daily portions, I don't come to my class. Really, I'm telling. Mohammed Jabir.
Ma'am, I was
Mohammed
absent
Jabir.
for yesterday's class, ma'am.
Can you tell?
I was absent for yesterday's class, ma'am.
Okay. See, instructions. See, next time onwards, if you're not answering whoever I'm calling, that person has to write 3 times and come. And you have to submit me. Otherwise, I'm not going to admit the next time onwards. Whoever I'm telling, if you're not answering, same question 3 times, you have to write and come. Janani, you have to write this question 3 times and you have to submit me. Submit me. Janani. Call me, Janani, after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Instruction execution straight line sequencing. It's a very important one. Here what will happen? I told you the basic structure where the address of the first instruction will be stored in the TC. Okay. After the completion of the instruction, it will proceed to the next instruction. And it will be in the sequence way. What is meant by in sequence way? Suppose the first instruction and the address instruction size is 4. The address will be incremented with the 4. See here. Here it is starting address is I. Our instruction is starting at I. The next instruction will be in, because instruction size is 4. So I plus 4. The next instruction will be I plus 8. The next instruction will be I plus 12. Like that it will be proceeding. Each instruction size is 4 bytes. That's why we are incrementing by 4. Okay, so what will happen first? First, we are placing it to the instruction is fetch from the memory and place in the IR. That is called fetch phase. See, before what will happen, that we will place the address of the instruction in the PC program counter. Program counter is a 1. It will tell to the memory to what's that? On. It is loaded with the PC. Okay. Okay, it will load it with the PC, the address of the first instruction. So I will be placed in the PC. Then it will give it to the memory. Then after from that particular address, what instruction is there? Move A, comma R0. Move A, comma R0. That will be fetched and placed in the IR. Okay, in the IR, it will decode the instruction and it will what move A, comma R0 means whatever content in the memory location A that will be moved to the R0 register. Okay, whatever the content of memory location A that will be moved to the R0 register. Then after that PC will be incremented by 4. It will go to the next instruction. That will be fetched and placed in the IR. So what is the next instruction, ma? What is the next instruction?
Move R0, comma C.
Move A, comma R0. Second instruction. I plus 4.
Add the contents of memory location B and R0.
Oh yeah, add the content of B location R0 will be added. Okay, see here we are adding the 2 numbers and storing it in the memory location C. That's all. So after that, it will add using the ALU. It will add that content of B, memory location B with the R0. Then after that, it will increment again by PC by A. That is 4. That is high plus 8. It will be. Now move R0, comma C. So move R0, comma C. What will happen?
The contents of memory location R0 will be moved to C. Content memory location C.
Yeah, content of memory location R0 will be moved to the C. So this is since it will happen in the sequence way, it is called a sequence instruction. That is why it is called a straight line sequencing instruction. What is why it is called as straight line sequencing instruction? Now tell me how to do the same thing. We are adding only the 2 number here. Suppose you want to add n number, what I should do? Tell me. N numbers I wanted to add. Now tell me. N numbers. See, this is a memory. Assume this is memory. Suppose I wanted to add 4 numbers. Move N1. In the ith instruction. Suppose the address is 1000. What will be the first instruction, ma? What is the first instruction? Move. Move. Suppose first number N1. I am moving it to the R0. This is my first instruction. So in R0 memory location, I am having a number 1. So which will be moved to the R0, ma? Tell me.
1.
What will happen here? In the first PC will be loaded with the 1000. So PC will be loaded with the 1000. So what is there the instruction 1000 in the 1000th instruction? What is the instruction there?
Move N1, comma R0.
So IR will be loaded with the move N1, comma R0. So IR will be loaded with move. Sir, Srishal sir. IR will be loaded with move N1, comma R0. And it will be decoded. So what will this instruction indicate? Move N1, comma R0. What is there in N0? It is N0. What is there in N1? 1. 1 will be moved to the R0 register. So R0 will become 1 now. R0 will become 1. Understood? So see the value of N1. N1, 1. See, these are all the input to our program. So next instruction. Thousand 4. Next, because instruction size, each instruction size is 4. So now the next instruction is 1004. What is the next instruction, ma? Add N2, comma R0. So N2 we have to give the input. So here N2, I am giving the input 5. So N1 is 1, N2 is 5. Add N2, comma R0. So it will, now the PC will be incremented with, next first instruction is over. Now PC will be incremented with,
4.
So it will become 1004. So what is there in 1004, ma?
Add N2, comma R0.
Add N2, comma R0. This will be done. So what is that? It will decode that. After decoding, it will perform addition operation using ALU. So what is add? What and all will be added? N2 with R0. R0 already we are having 1. So N2, what is the memory location value of N2?
5.
5. 5 plus 1 will become?
6.
So 6 will be placed in R0. Now PC will be incremented. It will become 1008. Okay. 1008. Add N3, comma R0. We are adding 4 numbers, that's all. Okay. Next number N3. Next input we should to give. Here I will put, okay. N3. Add N3. Now what will happen? PC will be incremented. Now what is will be placed in IR? What will be placed in IR, ma? Add N3, comma R0. Because whatever there in the PC, that value of that content only placed in IR. Now it will decode it. After decoding, it will perform addition operation. What and all will be added? N3 value, content of N3 value will be added with the R0. So what is the content of N3 value?
10.
10 will be added with the,
6.
so R0 will become 16. Now 3 numbers we added. One more number I should add. So now PC will be incremented to 1012. So what is the next instruction? 1012. Anybody can tell me?
Add N4, comma R0.
Add N4, comma R0. So I'll give N4 here. because I'm not able to extend the board, so I'll put N4 here. Actually, N1, N2 in the sequence it will come. I have put N3 above because there is no space. And now tell me. Anybody can tell me now? N4 is 20. Anybody can tell me? PC will be incremented by 4 and it will become 1012.
IR is equal. IR will change
One
to
second,
add
one second.
N4 comma R0. Sorry, some call came, important call. Now tell me, ma. PC will be incremented with 1012. So what is the content in 1012? It is there, ma?
Add N4 comma or not.
Huh?
Add N4 comma or not.
So it will be changed to IR. In that IR will be changed
IR
to
will
add.
change to add N4 comma R0.
Very good. Now what will happen? Add N4
R0
comma R0 value will be, what is R0 value? 16.
36
16 will be added with 20.
to
So it will become 36.
36.
So we added all the 4 number. Suppose I wanted to place R0 value in the memory location. See what I should do. Now tell me, anybody can tell me. Value of R0 should be placed in the memory location C.
Move R0, comma C.
That's all. That will be the next instruction. So it will be 1016. So move R0, comma C. So it will be in 1016th memory location. That's all. Got it? Any doubt, ma? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now we'll move to the next one. Tomorrow I'll ask the same program. This is called straight line sequencing. Now we have to go for branch sequencing. There is no sequence here. Branching we will tell. So instead of putting add, we will have something called as loop. That is called branching sequencing. What is meant by loop? See, here in the straight line sequencing, every time we have to perform add. So instead of that, I'll do the branching. So how to do the branching? How to do branching? Anybody know C programming?
Refill
Everybody,
statements.
what is called as looping or branching, ma?
Refill statements.
Continuation.
Huh?
Repetition, ma'am.
Be louder, ma. I'm not able to hear you.
Repetition, ma'am.
Correct. So the set of instruction will be repeated till the condition satisfied. That is called looping. So we are going to perform the loop here. Now tell me how we are going to perform. What we are going to do, move n comma r naught, clear r naught, determine the address. So we are keep on doing. See, number of numbers you wanted to add, that will be placed in R1. Suppose we want to add 5. 5 will be placed in R1. Each time it getting added, it will decrement R1 till it becomes 0. So we keep on doing that addition operation inside that. That is called branching. It's called branching or branch target, we will tell. Okay. Processor fetches and execute the instruction. Suppose if the condition satisfied, no? If it is satisfied, it will go to the something called as label. That is, I will tell you now. 1 second, I'll tell you. Same thing we are going to do with respect to branching. Time up. So time up actually only 5 minutes left. I cannot explain any other thing you are having doubt.
No, ma'am.
Any other thing you have doubt? Tomorrow I will explain because only 5 minutes left. I have to use a whiteboard. Tomorrow I will ask question. Be thorough. Don't waste time. Study. So same thing only. So now we are going to do the branching. What I will do, suppose I wanted to add 5 numbers, same 4 numbers, using branching statement, I will do now. Move n comma r1. First is move. If you have any doubt, you can ask me before I proceed. I thought I will do it tomorrow. Okay. Move n comma r1. What is the next instruction?
Add n1 r1.
Move n comma r1. Suppose n is 4 numbers we want to add. N is 4. 4 will be placed in r1. So r1 will become 4. So now n equal to, suppose PC will be loaded with 1000. So now IR will become move n comma r1. So n I will do Like this, memory will be divided, okay, into cells. So n is 4, I'll put. 4 numbers I wanted to add. Okay, n is 4. Now what happened? Move n comma r1. What will happen now? R1 will become 4 because n is 4 here. R1 will become 4. Move means for what is the value of n will be placed into R1. So R1 will become 4. Now tell me. Clear R0. Determine the address of the next number and add the next number to R0. Now tell me how to do. Clear R0. What is member clear R0? Clear R0 means what? R0 will become 0.
Wipes.
Determine the address of the next instruction. What is the next instruction? Address. It will become 1004. So now 1004. PC will be loaded with 1004. What should be there in the 1004? So clear R0. Whatever there will be there in the R0 would be clear and it will become 0. Now it again PC will be incremented. Thousand 8. Now what I should do here? Tell me. What I should do here? Add. Add which one and which one I should add? N1 comma R0. First number will be added with the R0. So N1 I'll make it as a first number, it is 1. So it is 1. So add N1 comma R0. What will happen? What is N1? What is N1? What is N1?
1, ma'am.
So add N1 comma R0. So 1 will be added with 0. So 1 will be added with 0 placed in R0. So R0 will become 1. Okay, PC will be incremented. Understood? Understood or not?